Good evening all. My name is Floyd Anthony. I am from KMS Institute of Technology, CSE background. I have passed out in the year 2022 and I got placed in Kumaran Systems with a CTC of 4 LPA. I joined JSpiders on 13th of July where I didn't have that much of technical knowledge and coding knowledge. But once I have joined, the teachers such as Rahul sir and Anupama ma'am, Akshay sir, they all were very good in teaching. They were so much dedicated and they were determined to make us get placed in the job. Then the coding part was very interesting. So all the patterns were being covered by Rahul sir, and even for technical side, Anupama ma'am was very good in teaching. I learned a lot in JSpiders, and the HRs and faculties are really, really good. Whenever there are requirements, HR used to call us, inform, and when we go, they're always available and help us a lot. So I would recommend all my friends to join JSpiders so that you get placed in a good company and you also gain more knowledge so that it will be for the better of your future. And thank you JSpiders Hebbal for giving me this opportunity.